Okay, everybody. So after my last video, I have actually gotten a lot of requests to do another one once I got more trail cam footage of these cages. And I got some more trail cam footage and we're finna get into it. And yeah, so we're just gonna get into it real quick. So this right here is one of the main reasons I'm moving to cages more. Down here in South Mississippi, man, there are just so many dogs. Either hunting dogs, coon dogs, just free ranging pets. They're just everywhere, man. And even with, footholds, all my stuff is modified. I catch my own dogs sometimes. It's just so much less of a pain when I don't have to deal with releasing one. So as you see, he's just walking around sniffing. He's not getting caught and it's good. And even when I catch something, they can't, get at my catch like if it was at a foothold. So I'm loving these cages more and more. So and now we're about to see our guest for tonight, our favorite trap tester. And guys, I'm thinking it's the same freaking possum. I'm not even gonna lie. Um, cool fact is I haven't rebaited this trap in 3 days. I haven't rebaited it in 3 days. I've been checking it every day. But here he is coming back again after like 3 days. And no rebate. He's just smelled that lure and he got caught yet again. Um, and as you see, he's doing his thing, trying to get out. But something that I really want to point out that I'm finding very interesting with this, we're going to see him escape this time completely. One thing I noticed is he cannot get through the door. However, he can't get through the door. However, what we're about to see is he can get through the sides. Now, check this out. He can get through the side, but he can't get through the door. We're about to see here. You see how he's trying to get his head through that door? Can't do it. Now, all of my doors on all of my cages are made differently than the sides. My sides I laid a panel lengthwise, so it's 4 inches long, 2 inches tall. But on my doors, I got set up where it's 2 inches wide and 4 inches tall. And as you see, he can't get his head through that, but he's able to get further in through the sides where it's 2 inches tall and 4 inches wide. And as you see, this is just some pictures of some of my other cages with catches. And as you see, even without the hardware cloth, this was actually my first cage, and I held a skunk, which are supposed to be really hard to catch. Um, just a side note, but you see how my doors are, okay? And as we're seeing in the video, he's not able to get his head through. However, we're going to see here again, he's trying to get through that. He can't. He cannot get his face through there. However, what he was able to get through was this side. Now, on this side, this is where the panel is 4 inches long, but 2 inches high. And we're about to see he's able to get his whole body through this, but not the door. And as you see, he's able to squeeze his whole body through here. So what I think it is, and I just find this interesting, is they cannot get their heads, through something narrow. Like, if it's 2 inches wide, he can't get his head through. However, if it's um 4 inches wide, he's able to, from the top of his head to the bottom of his chin, he's able to squinch down like that and get through. So I found that interesting. I figured you guys might find that interesting. So, all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Uh, y'all take it easy.